Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by turning on Talkback and verifying that gestures and speech rate feel natural to you. Next, install or update the Google Gemini app and immediately grant microphone, accessibility, and notification permissions so Talkback can interact. Sign into your Google account, then set the default language and preferred voice output. Once done, open Gemini and use the Talkback Explore gesture to locate the input field. You'll be ready to send your first prompt without extra setup. With Gemini open, navigate using Explore by touch and swipe right or left to move focus, then double tap to activate buttons or text fields. This is how Talkback and Gemini interact. You can speak prompts or type them. Be explicit by giving context, desired length, and output format such as short summary or step list. Make sure to adjust response verbosity and voice speed in the Gemini settings so answers read naturally. Once you experiment a few times, your prompts will produce better, faster. Finish by saving useful responses to your clipboard or notes and create shortcuts for frequent prompts so you can access them quickly with Talkback gestures. Use Gemini's conversation history to pin important threads and enable offline caching if the app supports it, which improves reliability. If audio or responses stop working, check accessibility and microphone permissions first, then toggle Talkback off and on. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart the device. Often that reestablishes accessibility services and clears temporary permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.